that we're completely done. Here's a look at your time lapse from the Science Center, and we started off with rain. Now it's more so intermittent, and we're getting just some pockets of drizzle and clouds around greater Cleveland. Now let's take a look at your 8-hour forecast, because as we head towards our lunch hour, I expect us to see breaks of sun. In fact, more so partly sunny later this afternoon. Temperatures already in the low 40s. We're headed into the mid and upper 40s. Some of us in our southern communities might even top 50. So here's a look at Storm Fox right now. Most of the area northwest of I-71 already drying out. We could even see some breaks in the overcast, but where we're seeing steady rain east of 77, and then where we're getting some moderate showers, that's anywhere shaded in yellow. We've got that from Johnston down towards Warren and into the Youngstown area. So Trumbull County, we've got steady rain from Hudson to Cuyahoga Falls into Akron, and Craig Beach, you're seeing some moderate showers. It's starting to let up, though, from downtown all the way up into Menor and let's say East Lake, Euclid, just a few pockets of drizzle. And then look to the west. We're already drying out here in LaGrange, Norwalk, and down into New London. So here's a look at widening out the view. Not a lot going on behind this. So once we get rid of this batch of rain, we're done with for the day, even the evening and through the night. Our next round, that's not coming until tomorrow morning. So here's your hour by hour. We get rid of this rain by 10 o'clock. Temperatures again, low and mid 40s in the afternoon. I expect the clouds to break up. We'll have a partly sunny sky before the sun goes down, and then we cloud back up overnight. Temperatures mainly in the low and mid 30s. We'll start off tomorrow morning in the mid and upper 30s. Here comes our next round of rain. It'll be more of the hit or miss variety as we go through the morning hours. We get a break in the afternoon, and watch these temperatures. This is your lunch hour temperature. We're already above 50, mid 50s in spots. I do expect us to hit right around 60 tomorrow afternoon. Now, a cold front will rain on our parade, and that's going to bring showers in our area, heavy at times during the evening, mainly after 6 o'clock. That'll be out by midnight, and we turn colder behind the front. So how much rain are we going to get with these three intervals? I'm saying anywhere between a quarter of an inch to upwards of a half an inch. 46 degrees today. Again, some areas south will definitely hit 50, especially once we get that sunshine this afternoon. Winds coming in out of the south at 5 to 15. Tonight, temperatures back into the mid 30s. We bring back the cloud cover. And then as we head into tomorrow, starting off with hit or miss showers in the morning, get a break in the afternoon. That's when we'll top 60 degrees. It will be breezy. Winds coming in out of the southeast at 10 to 15. Now behind that front, still windy but much cooler here. Monday, we're at 40 degrees, upper 30s. As we head into Tuesday, we'll see lots of sunshine.
Nice temperatures.
Nice temperatures and better weather during the afternoon. So right now it's a gray look, and we also have rain showers around, mainly east of 77 at the moment. You can see light rain continues to work its way over the Pennsylvania border. We've already shut down the rain for our western counties. That's going to continue, and eventually we're going to break up the cloud cover a touch. We're not going to be a completely sunny sky, but at least we'll see some sun later this afternoon. So we have light rain, steady though, from Ashtabula to Thompson, over into Pierpont, Andover. You go to the west, and here's where we're drying out already, maybe even seeing breaks in the overcast from Vermilion to Willard, over into Penfield and up towards Port Clinton. So widening out the view, we do have high pressure that's going to continue to filter on in. As it does from west to east, we will break up some of the cloud cover, but it's going to keep us dry till at least tomorrow morning. Then we'll bring in another chance of rain. Not looking dry though in North Canton. Here's the time lapse, and as you can see, a gray start to the day. You're still dealing with some light showers and pockets of drizzle. Here's the Akron forecast though. I do expect us to see breaks of sun as early as your lunch hour. Temperatures headed into the mid and upper 40s in the Akron area. South there, I think we could reach 50, especially if we get more sunshine. By 3-4 o'clock, I'm expecting a partly sunny sky. And you'll see it here on Futurecast. So we get rid of the rain out by 10 o'clock. So we've got what, another hour, hour and a half before the rain completely out of here. We've got breaks in the overcast and then cloudy sky right back into our area tonight. By tomorrow morning, hit or miss showers. It's not going to be as widespread and as steady as this morning. Afternoon, we get a break, and during this break, you are going to want to get outside because I've got temperatures topping right around 60. Then as we head into the evening, cold front moves through. That's going to get rid of our 60, and it's also going to bring back scattered showers with the front. So more widespread rain expected during the evening hours. That'll be out by right around midnight. And we're cold enough that, yeah, we could have a couple of passing light snow showers Monday evening. We'll see if that happens. 42 degrees, the high yesterday, our average high 41. So I do expect us to be above average because temperature right now 42. Temperatures at least 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what we were this time yesterday. So we're at 42. We do have colder air that's going to eventually work in. But first up, we're going to tap into this warmth to the south. We've got winds coming in out of the south. So the next at least several days here, we've got temperatures well above average or right at average. Temperature wise, we're in the low 40s. Lily liking this cold nose forecast, not right now. Low 40s, we've got the rain around, but by the afternoon and evening, we're dry. And again, we're staying in the 40s all day long. 60 degrees tomorrow. There you go. We're going to reach that in the afternoon. I do expect more in the way of cloud cover than sunshine during the afternoon and then that round of rain in the evening. Behind that, it gets windy. These are for you. I'll show you on the 8-day forecast in a second. All right, here's a look at your time lapse from the Science Center. We woke up to rain. Lots of scattered showers around, widespread. Now it's just cloudy. We're waiting on the clouds to break up in spots. Eventually we'll get to a partly sunny sky. I'm thinking more so later in the afternoon, just before sundown. But look at temperatures. We're headed above average. Average high 41. Back into the mid and upper 40s for most of us. There could be a couple backyards here that top 50. 42 right now at Burke Lakefront. Same with Lorain. It is 43 in Akron. Good morning to you, Ravenna. You're checking in at 40. Winds coming in out of the southwest. A bit of a breeze, sustained between 5 to upwards of 15. So it will be a breezy day today, but that breeze getting rid of that cold front that continues to work its way well to the east of us. Now the remaining counties that are seeing the light, steady rain right along the Pennsylvania border here from Ashtabula down into Jefferson, Roaming Shores, Pierpont, Andover. You've got the light, steady rain. Then we've got moderate showers pushing through Johnson and over into Warren and more south here. Alliance, you're still dealing with the rain, more so eastern Stark County. That batch moving out, and then we could say goodbye for the rain for the rest of the day. High pressure building in. Eventually we'll get sunshine as we head through the afternoon, mainly from west to east. So just like the rain moved out, we're going to get some cloud cover to move out as well. Here's a look at futurecast hour by hour. Temperatures in the mid 40s this afternoon. There goes the cloud cover recedes here by 4 or 5 o'clock. Temperatures at that point low and mid 40s, and then back to cloudy tonight. That's going to help keep temperatures at bay, though. We'll be in the 30s. That by tomorrow morning, when these hit or miss showers arrive, that's just what it's going to be. Rain showers with temperatures in the upper 30s. Now that batch of rain, or at least the rain chance, out by your lunch hour. Look at this, 1 o'clock, we're already in the mid and upper 50s. There you go. Here's 60 on the map. 5 o'clock in the afternoon, looking good. And then after that, after 6, 7 o'clock, we've got the cold front moving in. That's going to bring our last round of rain. And behind that, colder temperatures, cold enough that we could have a few scattered snow showers by Monday evening. 46 degrees today, showers winding down. We're looking at a partly sunny sky later this afternoon. Otherwise, cloudy, mid-30s tonight and tomorrow. There you go, 60 degrees, absolutely gorgeous afternoon, albeit there will be a lot of cloud cover, and then we got the rain arriving again during the evening. Now, as we head into Monday, things get change again. We're windy following that front. Temperatures back to cold, 40 degrees. In fact, Monday night, the clear sky, we will drop down to around 20. By Tuesday, we're looking at a... Hey there, Rosie. Well, we're getting rid of the rain showers. They're now working their way over the Pennsylvania border. We've got a couple areas still seeing some light rain in extreme southeastern Trumbull County, down into Mahoney and over into Columbiana County. Now we're just waiting on breaks of blue, and we're starting to see it in spots. So Conneaut, you have now dried out. Looking over to the west, here you go, Lorain County seeing some sunshine at the moment. We've got blue over the lake, so we can have here in downtown Cleveland within the next 20 minutes or so. I think we'll have some sunshine, and that's going to be the case. We will get breaks of sun popping up throughout the rest of this morning. Definitely by this afternoon, I'm expecting a partly sunny sky later on before the sun goes down. So you can get out and enjoy it. We've got temperatures just above average by a touch. We're headed into the mid and upper 40s. Here's a time lapse in North Canton. We started off with rain showers around. Now we're still cloudy. So we're waiting in that area for the cloud cover to break up. And I expect that to happen in the Akron area as well. Temperatures headed into the mid 40s. We'll get the sunshine arriving 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon, and depending on how much sunshine we see later this afternoon, some backyards might even hit 50. Here's a look at Futurecast hour by hour. We get rid of that first round of rain, breaking up the cloud cover as we head in the afternoon. Then we bring back the clouds overnight. That's going to keep our temperatures above freezing though, so that our next wave of rain, this is going to be more of the hit or miss variety tomorrow morning. It's just going to be rain. We're not seeing any snow mixing in with that. 8:30, hit or miss showers. That batch out by your lunch hour. We have a good stretch to enjoy temperatures right around 60. So between, let's say, 11 a.m. and around 6 p.m., we're going to have nice temperatures. On top of that, rain free until after 6. And we've got the cold front moving in. That's going to bring another round of rain to our area. And it's also going to cool us down. So we're going to say goodbye to our brief spring fling. And we'll get back to temperatures right around 40 again on Monday. There's a slight chance in the primary snow belt Monday evening that we could have a couple of light lake effect snow showers. 42, the average high. 42 is what we hit yesterday, a degree above our average high of 41. We're already at 42 today, so we're going to be above average. Still below average in the snowfall department for Cleveland. Now, Akron, Canton, over into Mansfield, you are actually at a surplus. So 24-hour temperature change, we're about 10 degrees warmer than what we were this time yesterday. We're now at 43. We're tapping into this mild air to the south of us. So all this green that's headed our way. We'll get into those blues later on Monday into Tuesday. So our temperature's trending above average, well above average tomorrow by about 20 degrees. So we're looking good tomorrow, 60 the high. Our actual air temperature right now at 40 degrees in Carrollton. It is 42 in Barberton. Painesville and Menor checking in at 42 and 39. So today, mid 40s expected. Again, there could be a couple backyards depending on how much sunshine we see. That could hit 50. By tomorrow, 60. That's when we get the break from the rain. So we got the first batch moving in the morning, second batch in the evening. Windy on Monday, sunshine.